Guys, welcome back to the show. Mike here, of course, and I'm glad to have you along. And this is another one of those videos, a long time coming, and it's all ready to go, and just trying to find time to do it. But I'm glad to have you along, and we're finally here. And on the series, you'll see in my channel, you'll see a playlist, a series on this Injora budget rock bouncer, and it is quite popular RC, and there's a bit of a following for it. And I think I'm one of the channels, and there's a few other RC models and mods have great videos on this model. And one of the viewers told me about reversing the springs and turning the shocks upside down and give you a droop setup. So now we're going to test to see how that droop setup runs. I'll bring it in here quick in case you haven't seen that video. You can look back on my channel, but in here we have the shocks upside down, and then inside we've switched the springs, so it's going this way. So the springs are on the other side of the piston, so they fully extend when it drops, and the spring pushes it back up. So here we go. We'll see how it works. People are telling me it works good with just the front ones slammed in droop, and some people tell me to do all four. So we're just going to try here and do the front with the droop setup, and we're going stock in the back. I checked the back, there is no oil, and there is no oil in the front when I did the droop setup. So we're just kind of going with the friction, but I think it works well with the droop in the front. And you can see we are doing some excellent rock climbing here. These are actually big rocks. And let's take it down here really slow, and it keeps going. Very well done. Let's see if we can get in here and get some close in action and see how those shocks are working. Kind of take it from this angle here, kind of try and get down low for you guys. And you see how that just right there, even the one goes up and the one drops. Whoa, got the wheel stuck. Let's take it in from this angle and see if we can get a nice view of these shocks working. And you kind of see there, when the wheel's not touching anything, it's kind of dropping down. I do kind of like this setup, and I am going to try to do all four this way. We'll see if it makes much of a difference. This is kind of turning it in from a rock bouncer into more of a crawler, and that's kind of cool too. So we're gonna go this way because I think it might tip. We're gonna, whoa, yes, it did end up going over there. One thing is, this buggy is quite light, and having that power of the 540 brush motor, you can power your way out of some spots and just torque your way over, bucket up over the rocks and onto the next phase of the crawl. So yeah, again, like I said, this is kind of like a rock bouncer, turning it more into like a crawler. It's kind of working out quite well. This is a challenging pile of rocks for sure. I may go in there later and rearrange some of those things, but overall I'm quite pleased. The Injora buggy is a lot of fun to drive, and I highly recommend it. It's one of the best bang for your buck RCs I think that you can get if you're wanting to try some trail driving, rock crawling, and hybrid in between, and rock bouncing and just kicking around and having some fun like this. It's just watching it bounce through these rocks is kind of crazy and kind of fun all at the same time. So guys, thanks for tuning into this again, this part of the Injora video. We're gonna keep on going with this and updating the playlist as we go and try out more things, see what we can do. We're always on the lookout for better shocks. We don't want to go crazy on this because it's a budget type RC, and we want to keep it on that type of scale and type of range. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Get out RC. Dog days of summer, it's always good to RC. Great weather. Catch you soon on the next one. All right, peace out.